Hi everyone, it's Succulents Box here. Today we're going to discuss some of the most common succulent gardening tools and how to use them. Having good gardening tools really comes in handy when you want to plant succulents or touch up an arrangement. First, let's start with this plastic toolkit. If you watch our other videos, you will notice this squeeze bottle is something we use very often. Unlike a spray bottle, squeeze bottles allow you to easily control where the water goes. This way you can avoid getting water on the succulent leaves, which also means you can significantly minimize the risk of rotten leaves, especially in humid weather. Moreover, the water stream from a squeeze bottle is stronger than a spray bottle, so they can penetrate the soil deeper and reach the root system better. The next item we want to mention is this mini scoop. We love to use it for scooping and moving soil from one spot to another. It's the perfect tool for adding soil to fill in spaces in an arrangement or to add top dressing if you want a more polished look for your planters. Serving the same purpose but used for bigger garden is the mini bucket. This gardening tool can hold larger amounts of soil and loose materials, so this comes in handy if you have big succulent pots. The mini bucket makes it really easy to scoop and move soil to add on top of large succulent containers. This gardening kit also comes with something called a hole punching tool. This item is used to create a hole in the soil for seedling or plant potting. If the soil is a little tough, you can use this puncher to loosen the soil and poke a hole into the roots. This is also a great tool for leaf or cutting propagation. When repotting succulents or transferring pups to soil, this transplanting tool is our favorite. It has two sides. The split side of it can be used to press down soil around the stem or to lift the plant or cuttings when repotting or propagating, if you don't want to touch your succulents for fear of hurting them. The other side is a mini scoop used to touch up your arrangement. Another one of our tool sets that we think is perfect for a succulent beginner is this wooden set, including 3 essential tools. Our favorite in this kit is the bow rake. This multi-purpose tool is super helpful for leveling, smoothing, or removing soil from roots when you need to repot your succulent. We also love it to clear up weeds or fallen leaves to keep your succulent clean and healthy. Next is this mini spade. It's specially designed to use in tight spaces to scoop and move soil. So if you're someone who loves to come up with succulents, DIY, and arrangement projects, you'll find this tool really handy. With a narrow blade and a long handle, you can easily add soil to densely planted borders or touch up crowded succulent arrangements. The final item in our list is a mini shovel. This gardening tool is commonly associated with gardening activities like lifting, digging, or shifting soil and top dressing from one spot to another. It's working more like a mini scoop but can also be used to dig a hole for succulent planting. That's it for today. Again, not all of these items are things you're going to need, but they will definitely make gardening much easier since they're a lot more versatile items. Hope you guys enjoy this video and see you next time.